guys, are you really interested in knowing the secrets how to become a content writer? You need not to be a writer like a script writer, or you need not to become a writer for a book. You can simply be a writer. What are you going to write and how you are going to write? There are some simple tips and the techniques we need to follow. Again, I am not the expert to explain that, but I have today with me Mr. Kunal Gupta, and who is going to share with us the techniques to become a content writer. Are you game for that? Over to you, Kunal, to give us some tips so that our viewers can become content writer.
Thank you, Sarika, for inviting me to your great YouTube channel. So today in this video, we learn how you and me and we can become a content writer. Content writers are individuals who create content that is published on the web. That is what you mean by a content writer. However, content writing is of two types. Number one, a content writer who is a professional content writer. And number two, a content writer who is a specialized content writer. So, professional content writer means that you as an individual can write on any topic. You have that particular skill, that particular knack to write on any topic given to you. So you have those good research making skills, you have those good skills of translating your thoughts into words, and also which is technically sound. So you have that particular IQ to create content on any particular topic. That is what you mean by professional content writer. Second is specialized content writer. Now this is a breed of content writers who are specialized in their subject, and the kind of content which they can create on that particular topic, no one can actually can. So that's an advanced kind of content which they can create. So to be a content writer, you particularly need 5 skills, 5 capabilities. Number one, you should have the capability to choose the right topic. You should have those research making skills. You should know what your target audience is looking for online. Because unless and until you create content that becomes visible, I am sure that is what the purpose of creating content is. And if you do not create content that is visible online, the purpose of the objective of creating content becomes shallow, becomes completely vapored off. Second is, you should have the capability to create content for all particular content types. So you should not have that particular skill to just create content for one specific content type. Whether you be a specialized writer or be a professional writer, even if you are not doing content writing for your bread and butter, you should have the skill to create content for all particular types. Because in today's evolving world, evolving digital world, which is full of disruptions, you should have the capability to adjust yourself or adjust your words in any particular structure. Number 3, you should have that mindset to create original content, because especially in India, we have that mindset of copying things. Whether you talk about copying an idea, whether you talk about copying each other's assignment, whether you talk about copying each other's business idea. So we have this tendency of copying, but a content writer cannot afford to be a person who copies, because here it is you cannot. It is the person who is the company who is determining the rules of the game is Google, and it is not for your own good to mess with Google, because if Google bans you, I am sure whatever amount of bribe you are ready to pay, whosoever influence you want to make, it's impossible, it's next to impossible to reverse that impact. Number 4, you should have that capability to create engaging content. Now when you talk about engaging content, you should know what words to use in that content that sells. You should know how to structure your content. You should know how to start your content. So these are a lot of skills, lot of you can say knowledge which is required to create an engaging piece of content. Last but not the least, the 5th skill is that you should know how to think from the audience perspective, because ultimately you are writing to reach out to your target audience. So you should know what they want, what they like, and accordingly you try to create a hybrid of what you think, what you like, and what your audience think and your audience like. So it's like a democracy of content, right? So anyone can become a content writer, and if you take my suggestion, then content writing is one skill which everyone needs in today's time, because right when you say good morning on WhatsApp till even good night at WhatsApp, you write so many emails every day, you do so much of messaging every day, you create reports, you create scripts, you create infographics, so you prepare a lot of content and everyone is creating it. It's not that only writers write, everyone writes. So this is one skill which in 21st century, especially in the internet age, especially in the Google age, everyone should know how to create good piece of content. So content writing skill, in my opinion, is actually one mandatory skill. This is one skill which should be there in our school, in our education system. But unfortunately, most education systems are not focusing on this skill. That is why, even though we have good skills, even though we have good knowledge on our own technical domain, but we do not know how to translate those thoughts into words. So whether it be a housewife, whether it be a student, a professional, a person who is an existing writer, even existing writers are not they are having good knowledge, but they have to also keep on upgrading their skills. So there are a lot of audience who should do, even businessmen should do, even so many people are there, even people who are in the film industry, people who are in the education industry, in the petroleum industry. So any industry you think about, and you need content writing skills. So for more information on content, don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and yes, share our videos wherever you can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kunal Gupta, for sharing such an interesting topic. Guys, don't go anywhere before you subscribe, like, and comment on our channel. See you again next week. Thank you so much.